This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can fix the lock screen issue quickly. Open the App Store and update WhatsApp. An old build often breaks call UI. Next, make sure notifications are enabled for WhatsApp in System App Settings. Without them, the incoming call won't surface. Finally, grant phone and notification permissions and allow overlay or draw over other apps when prompted. These let the call screen appear above the lock screen. Once done, proceed to the deeper checks. Once the basics are set, focus on background and lock screen behavior so calls will show reliably. Turn off battery optimizations for WhatsApp and allow background activity. Aggressive power saving kills the incoming call UI. Enable auto start if your device supports it, because the app needs to run when the phone is locked. Also check system lock screen notification settings and set WhatsApp to show full content. Otherwise, the OS hides the incoming call prompt. After these changes, test an incoming call to confirm. To finish, reboot your phone so all permission and background setting changes take effect. Then have someone call you on WhatsApp. If the call still does not show on the lock screen, clear WhatsApp cache to remove corrupted temporary files and retest. If that fails, reinstall WhatsApp to reset app state and check for a pending OS update which may fix notification or overlay bugs. Quick troubleshooting tip. Test with another contact and toggle Do Not Disturb. If DND blocks it, adjust DND exceptions for calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.